In paper chromatography, why must the start line always be above the solvent level? Option A says that it is to ensure that the specimen under investigation dissolves in the solvent. In the first place, if the specimen does not dissolve in the solvent, we would not even use paper chromatography. Drawing a line to ensure something dissolves in a solvent is an absolute bizarre imagination, and of course, option A is wrong. Let's look at option B. It ensures that the start line is not stained by the solvent and stays visible. Start line staying visible does not bear any significance to the separation of the dyes. Separation of the dyes depends on the relative solubility of the various components of the dyes and not on the visibility of the solvent. Hence, option B is also wrong. Option C. It is to prevent the contamination of the solvent. Well, if the starting line is drawn using pencil, and if the solvent does not dissolve the graphite, it would never contaminate the solvent. Option C is therefore incorrect as well. Last option D. It is to prevent the specimen under investigation from dissolving into the solvent. If the starting line where the specimen is placed is dipped into the solvent, then the specimen would dissolve into the solvent itself instead of getting separated and producing distinctive dots on the chromatogram. Therefore, option D is the correct answer.